Your thumbnail and title can make or break your video's success. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create both so viewers can't resist clicking. Section 1. Why thumbnails and titles matter. Before we start, understand this. YouTube's algorithm doesn't decide your success. Viewers do, and the first thing they see is your thumbnail and title. A great video with a weak thumbnail or title will get buried. A decent video with a great thumbnail and title can blow up overnight. Section 2. The perfect thumbnail formula. Let's start with thumbnails. Here's the simple formula to grab attention. One main subject. Don't overload the image. Focus on one clear point of interest. High contrast colors. Use colors that pop against YouTube's white and dark modes. Big, short text. If you use text, keep it under 5 words and make it readable on mobile. Facial expressions or action shots. People connect with emotions and movement. Consistency. Keep a recognizable style so viewers can spot your content instantly. Section 3. The perfect title formula. Your title works with your thumbnail. They should tell the same story, but from different angles. Here's how to make a title that pulls clicks without being clickbait. Clarity first. Make sure the viewer instantly understands the topic. Curiosity. Second. Add a gap in knowledge that the video will fill. Keywords matter. Include words people actually search for. Numbers and specifics. 5 tips to. Or, how I, in 7 days, works because it's clear and measurable. Avoid vague terms. Don't use cool video or watch this. Nobody searches for that. Section 4. How to make them work together. The best thumbnail title pairs are like a headline and a photo in a magazine. They support each other. If your title says, "How to edit videos fast," the thumbnail might show a stopwatch, a laptop, and text that says, "Edit 10 times faster." Don't just repeat the title text in the thumbnail. Make them complement each other. Section 5. Testing and improving. Your first try won't always be perfect, and that's fine. Use YouTube's analytics to check click-through rate. If a video has good watch time but low clicks, your thumbnail or title needs work. Change them, test again, and keep improving. The best creators constantly tweak their visuals and wording. Your content is important, but thumbnails and titles are the gateway to that content. Nail them, and you'll see the difference in clicks, views, and growth. Now go update one of your old videos with a stronger thumbnail and title, and watch what happens.